Let's make this clear. Startups are everywhere. But why blend in with the crowd when you can stand out? Here in Carinthia. Here, you're more than just a number or a business card. You're part of a community of doers, people who push each other forward. Free co-working during your startup phase. Easy. Legal advice? Always available. Funding opportunities. We'll open the doors for you. Welcome to Carinthia's startup ecosystem. Creating synergies and building partnerships for the future. From wood technology and semiconductors to drone tech and gaming, tap into Carinthia's vast industrial landscape and break through in your field. Want to be a winner? Show us what you've got at startup challenges, events, or gatherings at Seaport. The Carinthian Venture Fund, 25 million euros in venture capital to make your dreams come true. Sounds too good to be true? It isn't. Work where others only take selfies? Check. A cliche? Nope, just reality here. Located at the heart of the Alpes-Adriatic region, Carinthia is well connected. You'll be faster everywhere than you can say hello world. You've got the ideas. We've got the playground in the sunny south of Austria. So, what are you waiting for?